How we doing, boaters? Emily with MarineMax Nisswa here. If you're looking for a nice crossover trade, we just got in this 2012 Malibu 21 VLX. Really pretty black, white, and blue exterior. Everything in this boat's in pretty darn good condition. Climbing up here. Got a really nice big sun pad area. Ballasts are built in underneath here. Storage. Here's your bags. You got your table that's stowed in here. Skiing, here's your pylon. Condition of this interior is in very nice shape, I would say. A little bit pilling here so everyone can see that. Interior lights. Going to the helm of this boat, I like that it has a bolster cushion, cup holders right by your feet for your convenience. Dash. Can fill your ballast right from the screen here. 422 hours. I like the bow of this boat too. It's got a nice filler cushion. This boat just landed at MarineMax Nisswa. Come and see it today.